On the tranquil waters of Lake Van, there exists an island of serene beauty and mystique, home to the radiant Princess Tamar. With a heart yearning for adventure and a soul searching for true love, Princess Tamar stands by the shore, dreaming of a love that could transcend the vast waters that surround it. In a distant village, a brave warrior named Vahagan hears tales of Tamar's unmatched beauty. His heart stirs with determination.
I must find her.
Vahagan vows, setting his sights on Axtamar. No matter the challenge, he prepares to cross the treacherous waters to meet the woman who has captivated his heart. With each powerful stroke, Vahagan draws closer to his destiny and the love that awaits him.
Beware the currents.
Warns a wise old fisherman.
They are as treacherous as the king's wrath.
Under the cover of night, Tamar and Vahagan meet in secret. Tamar hands him a lantern, a beacon to guide him through the dark waters.
I will come every night until we are together.
Vahagan promises, his resolve unwavering. The king, noticing the mysterious light signals, grows suspicious.
Guards, find out what is happening.
He commands, his jealousy turning to fury. In a cruel twist, the king orders all lights on Axtamar to be extinguished, leaving the island in complete darkness. Lost in the dark, Vahagan struggles to find his beloved Tamar. Against the raging currents, Vahagan fights to reach the faint light of Tamar's lantern. Desperate, Tamar runs along the shore, her lantern held high, her voice calling out,
"Hold on, my love, I'm here."
But fate is cruel. In the chaos, Vahagan's boat capsizes, and his final heart-wrenching cry is,
Ah, Tamar!
Their love, though thwarted by fate, becomes an eternal legend. The legend of Axtamar lives on, a testament to love's enduring power shining brightly through the ages.